Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify to become a licensed security guard in North Dakota, you must be at least 18, hold a high school diploma or GED, be legally allowed to work in the U.S., pass both state and FBI background checks, have no disqualifying convictions. Licenses in North Dakota are individual and portable. That means once you're licensed, you can move between employers without reapplying. Your employer does not submit the application for you. That part's on you. Step 2. Complete the required training. North Dakota licenses guards in 3 unarmed tiers. Apprentice officer, 12 hours of field or classroom training. Security officer, after 1,000 hours of work, complete 32 hours of classroom training. Commissioned officer, after 4,000 hours of work, complete 80 hours classroom training. Your training is usually coordinated through your employer or a state-approved provider. Step 3. After completing training, you'll receive proof of completion, usually a certificate or signed training log. North Dakota does not require a written exam for unarmed guard licenses. If you meet the training hours, you're good. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete your fingerprinting for state and FBI checks. You have 2 options. The manual one, which is PISB, will mail you fingerprint cards, the FD258, or digital, using services like IdentoGO for live scan, then print them on official card. Fees are usually $40 for the state and $40 for the FBI. Step 5. Submit your application to the North Dakota Private Investigation and Security Board. This is your responsibility. Your employer doesn't do it for you. You'll need to submit proof of training, 2 fingerprint cards, government-issued photo ID, passport-style photo. Step 6. Let's break down the full cost to get licensed in North Dakota. The training is usually covered by your employer. Fingerprinting is $80. The application fee is $150. The estimated total is $230. For perspective, the median wage for security guards in North Dakota is $19.22 per hour, or about $39,970 per year, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Step 7. Once your application is submitted and background checks are underway, the PISB may issue a temporary license that lets you work while the final processing is completed. Once approved, you'll receive your permanent license, typically a physical card, but you also may get a digital confirmation via email. Some employers require you to carry a printed copy while on duty. Step 8. Renew your license annually by September 30th. The renewal fee is $150. The late fee is $15 per month past the deadline. You don't need refresher training unless you're upgrading to a higher tier license. Step 9. Get hired and stay informed. Now that you're licensed, start applying for jobs using sites like Indeed. You can check out my Beacons page for free digital items and my Etsy shop for premium resume tools, study guides, and more. Also, join our discussions at r/guard guides on Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.